Are you looking for ways to make money online? Yes, you've come to the right place. Money World is a channel where you will learn everything there is to know about making money online. Today, we will show you how to make money by making thumbnails. But first, please subscribe to Money World and hit the bell icon. Let's get this party started. Money World will not only explain to you how to make money by producing thumbnails, but it will also show you how and where to make thumbnails and where to sell them, and that will undoubtedly help you make money. Why bother with thumbnails? YouTube videos are not only seen on YouTube, they are also shared on social media, embedded on websites, and viewed on TV displays and mobile devices. As a result, your thumbnail image is frequently the first image your audiences see when they watch your video. A superb thumbnail should be appealing to the eye and related to the video. It should also be of great quality, as low quality photos might affect negatively on your video and brand. Creating a captivating thumbnail is critical to YouTube's platform success. What do you need to make a thumbnail? You'll need a few things to create a thumbnail for your YouTube or other video platforms: an image editing application, a template, which is optional, and a concept of what you want your thumbnail to look like. Making a thumbnail is a simple process that requires some basic picture editing skills. If you have no prior expertise with picture editing, you may wish to begin with a basic online course or two. Once you've mastered the fundamentals, you may begin working on your thumbnail. If you don't know where to begin, you might look for thumbnail templates online. These might serve as a wonderful beginning point for your design, and you can always modify them to make them uniquely yours. Remember that your thumbnail is a vital component of your YouTube video, so spend some time perfecting it. How to make your thumbnails stand out? With so much competition on YouTube and other platforms, your thumbnails must stand out from the crowd. After all, your thumbnail will be the first thing potential viewers see when they come across your video. Here are some ideas on how to make your thumbnails stand out. Make use of high color contrast. Use text sparingly. Use close-ups or zoom-ins. Use photos relevant to the video content. Use high-quality images. By adhering to these guidelines, you can ensure that your thumbnails attract attention and earn more views. Why making thumbnails is a great way to earn money? As told earlier, that thumbnails are little pictures, usually square in shape, that represent a bigger piece of the content, such as an article, video, or website. They are often used to provide viewers with a preview of the information so that they may decide whether or not to click through and see more. Making thumbnails can be a lucrative way to earn money because they are quick and simple to create, and there is a large demand for them. You can start generating thumbnails for several clients if you have any graphic design or photo editing expertise. The secret to making money from your thumbnails. There's no magic formula for making money with thumbnails. It all boils down to creating outstanding material that people want to see. However, there are a few things you can do to make your thumbnails as effective as possible. To begin, ensure that your thumbnails are clear and easy to read. People should be able to see what your film is about and why should they watch it right away. Second, make your thumbnails visually appealing. This can range from bright colors to attracting people. Finally, make sure your thumbnail includes a call to action. Inform people about what you want them to do, whether it's to watch your video, subscribe to your channel, or buy your goods. You can ensure that your thumbnails are working hard to attract users. How to make money from thumbnail making. You might be surprised to learn that generating thumbnails for online videos can earn you a decent living. While it may not be the most attractive job, it can be a very simple method to supplement your income. There are several methods for getting money through thumbnail creation. Making thumbnails for videos on networks like YouTube, Vimeo, or other platforms is one approach. You may also make thumbnails for other people's videos if they pay you for your services. Finally, if you have a large enough following, you can make thumbnails for your videos. Whatever method you choose, thumbnail creation has the potential to be lucrative. So if you're looking for a way to make some additional money, this could be it. How to get started with thumbnail earning. You can start making money from the thumbnails a variety of ways, using YouTube, Venmo, and other websites is the most usual technique. Selling your thumbnails directly to businesses is another method to make money with them. This can be accomplished through online marketplaces. Finally, you may use your thumbnails to make actual things like prints or calendars. This is a terrific opportunity to generate some additional money while also showcasing your work to a larger audience. Whatever method you choose to sell your thumbnails, keep in mind that you make a lot of money. Number 1, Photo Director. Photo Director is a powerful picture editing program that includes dozens of special effects and collage templates to help you quickly create YouTube thumbnail design. With no prior editing knowledge required, use the guided editing modules to learn how to add stunning visual effects, conduct photo touch-ups, and add eye-catching text to your images. Number 2, YouCam Perfect. YouCam Perfect, which is available for both Android and iOS, is the greatest photo editing tool for beauty vloggers. Your thumbnails will always be excellent thanks to a plethora of enhancing features. The software allows you to edit images and video selfies with auto beautify capabilities to improve your appearance with a single tap. Number 3, Thumbnail Maker. The Thumbnail Maker app is simple software for YouTube creators. Change the image, text, and colors by selecting from thousands of designs and layouts. That's all. You are now ready to post your new video complete with a personalized thumbnail. While there aren't many editing features in this software, it's useful for quickly making thumbnails on the move. Number 4, Pixlr. Pixlr is a picture editing tool that includes a plethora of collages, effects, overlays, and filters. While the program does not include YouTube-specific thumbnail templates, you can make a custom video thumbnail using its many collage styles and video editing features. Number 5, Photor. Photor is a web software for creating YouTube thumbnails that include hundreds of ready-made and free thumbnail layouts for your videos. Photor's templates are all created by expert designers. You may instantly change the colors, photos, text styles, and other aspects of your thumbnails to make it stand out. Number 6, Canva. It is a free thumbnail creator that can be found on its official website, canva.com. This video thumbnail maker is ideal for graphic designers due to its numerous features. The drag and drop functions are fantastic, and the effects available for your thumbnail creation include free stock type pictures, illustrations, lines, shapes, frames, grids, backgrounds, text, and so on. Where to sell thumbnails? It's fairly simple. There are several websites where you can sell thumbnails. You're halfway there if you know how to use Upwork, Behance, Fiverr, and a few other sites to sell your thumbnails. If you already have an account on these sites, you can contact the clients and create the thumbnails they want for YouTube, Vimeo, articles, or anything else. If you don't already have an account, you can easily create one and begin earning money by creating thumbnails for clients. If you have any further questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Money World and hit the bell icon to get notified of future videos.